Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and in today's video I'm going to show you how to choose your correct concealer shade. Now many of you are confused that how to buy a concealer shade. So here I am to tell you all, and also I have uploaded a video regarding how to choose your correct foundation shade. You can have a look there also, and let's jump into the video. Also I'm gonna show you all how to apply concealer. Like in all my videos I have shown you how to apply concealer, but that is like a different way to apply a concealer. Now I'm gonna show you all how to apply it normally, without people who are not having dark circles or who have dark circles, about both of them. Because if I was about to only talk about the concealer shade, then the video might be very small. So I wanted to cover all the points in one video. So yeah. Okay, so first I'm gonna tell you about the main topic, and then I'm gonna in the last I'm gonna show you how to apply and stuff. So okay, I have these three concealers. You can see that all the three of them have different shades. Now this concealer is a Fit Me concealer and its shade is 36 Golden. Now always buy a concealer one shade lighter to your foundation shade. Okay, for instance, your shade is 220 Natural Beach in Maybelline, in Maybelline company only, and this is a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So in this concealer there won't be numbers and all, but if you know how to choose your correct foundation shade, then you can easily guess that one shade lighter to your foundation shade will be your concealer. So always one shade lighter to your foundation shade should be your concealer. Okay, not very light, because very light concealers are used to highlight. Okay, so yeah, this is my concealer. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. As you can see, it is I can tell it's my shade and a bit lighter. It's lighter, okay? It's not exactly mine shade, but yeah, it's lighter. So yeah, I have chose the perfect shade for myself, and I can just, if I don't want to apply foundation and I just want to create a no makeup look, I'm gonna apply this concealer under my eyes, and wherever I think I have scars or pimples, I'm gonna apply it over there, and that's it. So if you have a lighter shade concealer and if you apply it like that, for a no makeup look, then you can naturally, you can guess that yes, you have applied makeup or something like that. So you wanna go very natural. It's a no makeup look. So it's to hide your dark circles or something, just for that, and if you have any scars, so for that. So always remember to use a shade, one shade lighter to your foundation shade. Always buy the concealer one shade lighter to your foundation shade. Remember that, okay? And if you know that, and also the company one, I have told you about it in detail in my previous video. You can check it, and I have explained you all about the companies and the different shades the particular company have. So according to that, okay? So this is my shade. Now this is the Swiss Beauty concealer, and it is quite lighter. You can just by looking at it you will tell that. And this is something I had bought when I was a beginner. So I bought that time, and I didn't knew how to choose shades and all. So I bought the lightest one. I thought that the lightest one will be the best. Now you must be thinking that I have bought the lighter shade, now what shall I do? You can still use that shade. I'm gonna tell you all, okay? So this is the shade, lighter shade. The lighter shades are always used to highlight your portion. You have seen that in many makeup videos, that when you apply makeup and in the end you can see that this portion is very bright and rather than the other portion. So it's because you highlight that portion, you apply your shade concealer, and on the top of that you highlight it with the lighter shade concealer. Now this is very dark for my skin tone, very dark, seriously, I had thought that it would be same these both companies but this was quite darker, and I could actually use this as a contour. I can actually use it as a contour. It is so dark. So like in this you can see that it's normal medium, but when I open it, let me show you. See, it's so dark. You can see the comparison. You can compare it. Wait, let me apply the lighter one too. Not swatch it. Like I have all the 3 shades of concealer. Like you can see the lighter one. I hope you can see it. Yeah. This is the lighter one. This is the. Actually, you can see in the background. It's the foundation. I always apply it here and then apply on my face. So this is it. So you can see, right, that the darker one, the medium one, that is my shade. Actually, I can compare, like, which one is my shade. The lighter one is definitely not my shade. The darker one is not my shade. So the middle one will definitely be my shade. So yeah. So with this, you can understand that. And actually, this is a concealer I had bought by mistakenly. I thought it might be my shade, because I had bought a lighter shade of this company, so I didn't knew my actual shade, so I just guessed it, which was a flop. And yeah, but I actually use this concealer, I mix both of them on my hand. I swatch them both on my hand and then I mix them, okay? And after mixing them, whatever shade comes, I apply it. And actually I need to apply a lighter one more because it is quite darker. So even after mixing them won't make much difference, so I need to apply more lighter shade to it, and then I can apply it. I am not gonna waste it at all. I'm gonna use it very well. So I'm just gonna do it somehow. Yes, so yeah, you can also if you have bought any darker shade by mistakenly, so you can mix it with the lighter shade, apply lighter shade more, and you're good to go. And same with the lighter shade. If you have bought a lighter shade, then you can use it to highlight. So don't just think that it's gonna be a waste. No, it's not gonna be a waste. You can utilize it. Okay, so now the next thing is how to apply concealer. Okay, so this is my shade concealer. In my previous videos, you have seen that I used to apply it under my eyes. I used to make a C. That is used to hide your dark circles and stuff. If you have dark circles, you can apply that way or make a triangle. Okay, so it is used for that. But the actual way, how to apply concealer, is this way. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Apply it in the inner corners of your eye, because there are people having darkness over there a lot of time, so they always apply it here. Or you can even apply a little bit up wherever your darkness is. Okay, and then do it this way. Never forget. Okay, do it this way. And then I'm gonna blend it with my finger. So you can see the difference now. Look at this eye, look at this eye. It is so much different. I hope you can see it. Okay, so this is about how to apply concealer. And for under eyes, to highlight your eyes, you have to apply it the lighter shade on the top of it, and you're good to go. So you will always see that this portion is a bit lighter, and then here you have applied foundation. So you can see the difference, but that is the actual look. So you apply it to highlight it, so it's totally normal. Don't feel why under eyes are looking so different from my shade. That's not it. That's the only motive of the light concealer, which is to highlight. It will highlight your under eyes. So yeah, you can apply the lighter shade under your eyes if you want to, then only. It's not you have to apply it. If you are going for a no makeup look, you just need to apply your shade concealer. And again, I'm gonna tell you all that if you have darkness and you want to hide it, it's not possible to cover the under eyes with your concealers, because they are not fully coverage, right? So you always have to apply a red lipstick, any sort of red lipstick you have, apply it, blend it, and then apply both the concealers on the top of it, and then apply foundation on it. So it will be hidden, 1000% sure. Also, there are correctors, red correctors for the same purpose. But if you're a beginner, you don't need to buy such things. You don't need to waste your money on such things. First, you need to learn first. So with the lipstick, you're gonna learn it pretty well. And lipstick is actually the same thing. Like you just need the red lipstick. So yeah, you don't need a corrector as such. And if you have pimples or anything, you can hide it from a green, corrector. But if you don't have a corrector, I personally use an eyeshadow palette green shade, and with that also I can hide my pimples if they are very visible to my face. So yeah. So that was it for today, guys. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the videos I will be posting every Monday.